In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an ebook on Shopify. We'll walk through setting up your product with Shopify's free digital downloads app so customers can purchase your ebook and instantly receive a download link. I'll keep things clear and simple and share practical tips along the way. First, prepare your ebook file. Decide on a format your audience expects, like PDF or EPUB, and export a clean final version with a proper cover page and table of contents if you have one. Give the file a clear professional name and make sure the file size is reasonable so it uploads quickly and delivers smoothly. If your ebook includes images, compress them to balance quality and file size. Next, open your Shopify admin and head to the Shopify App Store, search for Digital Downloads by Shopify. This is the official app that securely attaches files to your products and sends download links to customers after purchase. Install the app and approve the permissions so it can connect to your store. Back in your Shopify admin, go to Products and add a new product. Enter a clear product title and write a descriptive, benefit-focused description, explain what the reader will learn or gain, list any included resources, and set expectations about format and length. Add your ebook cover as the main product media to make the page visually appealing and trustworthy. Set your price and, very important, uncheck "This is a physical product." That tells Shopify not to calculate shipping and ensures customers receive a digital delivery. Click Save to create the product record before attaching your file. Once saved, look at the left-hand menu on the product page for the Digital Downloads panel. Click it, then select Add File. Choose your finalized ebook file from your computer and upload it. Wait for the upload to complete. Larger files can take a moment. When it's attached, click Save again to lock everything in. At this point, your product page is created, the price is set, and the digital file is securely linked. Shopify's Digital Downloads app will automatically generate a download link after a successful purchase and include it in the order confirmation. For a smoother customer experience, double check that your description mentions the file format and any device recommendations, and ensure your cover image looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. That's all you need to publish an ebook on Shopify using digital downloads. With your file prepared, the app installed, your product details filled in, and the ebook uploaded and saved, you're ready to start selling.